Your brain is incredibly complex. It's a marvel of biological engineering, a labyrinth of electrical impulses and chemical signals. It's the command center of your body, orchestrating everything from your heartbeat to your thoughts. Every thought, feeling, and action starts here, in this intricate organ that weighs just about 3 pounds. This grapefruit-sized organ controls everything you do, from the simplest reflex to the most complex decision-making processes. It's a network of billions of tiny cells working together in perfect harmony, creating the symphony of your consciousness. These cells are called neurons, and they are the building blocks of your brain. Each neuron can connect with thousands of others, forming a vast and intricate network. Understanding neurons helps us appreciate the brain's power. They communicate through synapses, transmitting signals that enable us to think, feel, and move. Let's delve into the world of these amazing cells. By exploring their structure and function, we can begin to understand the true magnificence of the human brain. Neurons are specialized cells. They transmit information throughout your body. Imagine them as messengers carrying important messages. These messages determine your actions and reactions. Each neuron has a unique structure. It includes dendrites, a cell body, and an axon. Dendrites are branch-like extensions that receive signals. The cell body processes these signals. The axon, a long fiber, transmits signals to other neurons. Neurons communicate using electrical and chemical signals. It's a fascinating process. When a neuron receives a signal, it creates an electrical impulse. This impulse travels down the axon like a tiny electrical current. At the end of the axon, the signal reaches a synapse. This is a small gap between neurons. Here, the electrical signal triggers the release of chemicals called neurotransmitters. Section 4. Types of neurons, a diverse workforce. In the intricate network of the human brain, neurons play a crucial role. They are the fundamental units of the brain and nervous system, responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, for sending motor commands to our muscles, and for transforming and relaying the electrical signals at every step in between. There are different types of neurons, each with specific jobs. These specialized cells are designed to perform unique functions that are essential for our daily lives. Sensory neurons carry information from your senses to your brain, helping you experience the world around you. They are the reason you can feel the warmth of the sun, smell the aroma of coffee, or hear the sound of music. Motor neurons carry signals from your brain to your muscles, controlling your movements, from walking to talking. These neurons are what allow you to perform complex actions like playing a musical instrument or typing on a keyboard. And interneurons connect other neurons within the brain, enabling complex processing. They act as the middlemen, ensuring that signals are passed efficiently and accurately, allowing for higher-order functions like thinking, decision-making, and problem-solving. Together, these diverse types of neurons create a sophisticated and dynamic system that powers everything we do. Section 5. The brain's plasticity. A lifetime of learning. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. It's constantly changing and rewiring itself based on your experiences. This ability is called plasticity. Throughout your life, your brain forms new connections between neurons. It strengthens existing pathways as you learn and grow. This plasticity allows you to adapt to new situations, learn new skills, and store memories. Section 6. A final word, the marvel within. Neurons are the unsung heroes of your nervous system. These tiny, yet incredibly complex cells are responsible for every thought, every emotion, and every action you take. They allow you to think, feel, and experience the world around you. From the simplest reflex to the most profound thought, neurons are at the heart of it all. Their intricate communication network underpins everything that makes you human. Billions of neurons connect and communicate through trillions of synapses, creating a symphony of electrical and chemical signals. As you learn more about these remarkable cells, you begin to understand the sheer complexity and beauty of the human brain. Scientists dedicate their lives to unraveling these mysteries, revealing new insights every day. Take a moment to appreciate the marvel within your own skull. This 3-pound organ is not just a mass of tissue, but a dynamic, ever-changing network that defines who you are. Your brain, a testament to the wonders of biology, is capable of incredible feats. It learns, adapts, and evolves, allowing you to grow and change throughout your life. It empowers you to live a rich and meaningful life. Every memory, every dream, every decision is a product of this extraordinary organ. So cherish the marvel within and continue to explore the endless possibilities it offers.